latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, and you're watching News 9 Digital, and I'm Deepak. Well, the government has given permission for restaurants to open their, or rather resume their services for customers. But you will always have to keep in mind that eating out will increase your risk of contracting COVID-19. But if you follow a few precautionary measures while visiting your favorite hotels to eat your favorite delicacies, you can stay safe from COVID-19 infection. So, what are those tips that you will have to follow? I will give you a glimpse as to what are the safety precautionary measures that you will have to take while visiting a hotel. Well, you've arrived at the hotel, and the first thing that the waiter does is lead you to a table. And once you reach the table, you often tend to touch the chair and then sit on the chair, which will also increase the risk of contracting COVID-19, because reports suggest that even germs and other harmful bacteria are present on surfaces like the table and the chairs for a very long time, and that includes germs present on plastic, and cotton cloth could last up to 3 days. So in order to avoid such a risk, you always make sure that you carry a small sanitizer bottle in your pocket, so that once you touch a table and a chair when you sit down to eat your favorite delicacy, you could also sanitize your hands and stay safe from the infection. Well, you found your favorite spot to sit in the hotel, and the next thing that you will come across is a menu card, which hotels usually offer. And during these times, holding a menu card or touching a menu card which has already been touched by a lot of people also increases, or rather exposes you to the risk of COVID-19. So what do you do when you encounter such a situation? Well, obviously every table has a couple of tissue papers which you can use in order to pick up the menu card and order your favorite dish, like I'm doing here right now. But since most of the hotels in the city are now refraining from giving menu cards, some of the hotels have stuck the menu cards to the walls, like the one right behind me. And by doing so, even the hotel staff and the management are ensuring that the people don't come in contact with very frequently used articles and objects in the hotel by other customers as well. So in order to reduce that risk, the hotels are either offering you a digital menu card, or they are sticking it to walls like that, which the customers can look at and place their orders. Well, now your favorite food has arrived, and before you start eating, what do you have to do? Because once the food has arrived, you'll have to make sure that you remove your mask and ensure that you keep it in a safer place than just leaving it on the table. So ensure that you keep a disposable bag, or you can keep your masks in your pockets or in your vanity bags, which the girls usually carry. So in order to make sure that your mask is also free of germs from surfaces, you can either keep it in a disposable bag, or you can keep it in your pockets or bags to enjoy your favorite dish. Well, often when you visit a restaurant or a hotel for lunch, breakfast, or even dinner, you feel like using the restroom. So while also using the restroom, you should make sure that you follow one key precautionary measure. So what is that? I will tell you right now. Wet door handles pose the highest risk of transmitting the virus, or any virus. Really, I would suggest using a piece of tissue or toilet paper to open the door. And this avoids direct contact between the door and your hands. If you want to be extra safe, apply an alcohol-based hand sanitizer on your hands when you return to your table. Well, when you visit a hotel or restaurant, this particular object raises a lot of suspicion, or rather raises a lot of questions, because people don't know whether these spoons are safe to use or not in restaurants. So let us find out from the owner himself as to how the hotel is planning to, make their spoons and plates germ-free, or if they have another alternate option. Let us listen to that as well.
ಟಿಕೆ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಶ್ ವಾಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಇದು ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಕಪ್ಸ್, ಸಾಂಬಾರು ಕಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಹಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ಸು, ಅಡಿಕೆ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್, ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಒನ್ ಟಚ್, ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಮುಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಇದು ರೀಸೈಕಲೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈಕೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್.
Well, apart from wet door handles, tables and chairs, the next thing that will expose you to the risk of contracting any viral infection is the mode of payment. Make sure that the hotel or restaurant that you visit accepts a non-cash based payment or cashless payment. But if you have to pay by cash, as there is no choice in the hotel, make sure that before you keep your cash or the card back in your wallet, you make sure that you sanitize your hands with an alcohol based disinfectant or the sanitizer which you should carry with yourself at all times. Make sure that you sanitize your hands after you pay the bill, because exchange of objects, especially between two people, can increase the risk of COVID-19, because the transfer of objects from one person to another person also results in the virus also getting transferred from one person to another person. So in order to avoid that risk in a restaurant where you have to pay the bill using your cash or card, make sure that you sanitize your hands thoroughly. Well, I've enjoyed my meal, but I've also been responsible. So with great freedom to eat outside comes great responsibilities, which include following the tips and also precautions that I've mentioned. Well, the hotel staff and management is doing all it can to ensure that the customers are not exposed to the risk of COVID-19, and now the onus lies in your hand to keep yourself safe wherever you visit, especially hotels and restaurants. So if you guys like this video, please drop in a comment, and also like, share and subscribe to News9 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Thank you for watching.